out.
Train kid's brain.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.